this video I'm going to be showing you what to do when your Stream Deck keys freeze. So we have our ELGATO Stream Deck. It's a really cool piece of kit and I recommend you buying it, but sometimes, and this is a really rare occasion, your Stream Deck keys will freeze, and as you can see when I press it, nothing is actually happening, and that's not how this thing works. So what we're going to do is, I've got 2 fixes for you guys, and this is working in 2021, and what you'll do, so the first fix is when you are on your Stream Deck and it's not working, you're going to go and restart your computer. Now we've gone ahead and restarted our computer. We are going to go over to our screen and we're going to open the Stream Deck app. And once it's open, like as you can see now, you can pop it over back to your Stream Deck and the buttons will work and stuff. So that is really cool. And then the second fix, so let me quickly freeze my Stream Deck keys. And we are back and all our keys are now frozen. So what this second fix I don't actually recommend, because this is only when it's really gone wrong. You wanna pop over and open Task Manager. I have a shortcut here, but if you don't have that shortcut, you're gonna press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard and press Task Manager. And now you're gonna scroll down until you find Stream Deck, which I have right here. And you're gonna right click on it and just press End Task. And kablamo, it's gone, your task has been ended, and we're gonna close out of that. And we're just gonna open the Stream Deck app, like so. Got a Stream Deck app, and we're gonna quickly just you can close it again, doesn't really matter. If you pop over to your Stream Deck, as you can see, the keys are now working. Very cool indeed. So if this video was helpful to you, consider liking and subscribing, all that good stuff, you know, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.